In this video, I'll navigate you through the steps to exchange crypto on the Revolut app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. Revolut offers a seamless and secure way to buy, sell, or trade digital cryptocurrencies. It allows for easy integration with your everyday financial transactions. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the homepage. Look for the three-dot option labeled More in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the Exchange option. This action will take you to the exchange window, where you can begin the process of swapping cryptocurrencies. In the exchange window, you'll notice two primary sections. The first section allows you to choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and the second section allows you to select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. You can easily switch between various options, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other available cryptocurrencies. To do this, tap on the drop-down menus for both sections and select the coins you're interested in. Once you've selected the coins you wish to exchange, click on the Review Order button. This will take you to a confirmation page where you can double-check the details of your transaction. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm Order to finalize the exchange. After you confirm, your transaction will be processed, and the cryptocurrency exchange will be complete. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, don't forget, you can sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.